Hello friends, today I will discuss about web analytics. So first of all, we well know about what is the role of web analytics and importance of web analytics. So in this market, various types of tool available for how to track web tracking. So web analytics is a methodology study of online pattern and threads, web analytics. It is a techniques you can apply to collect the measure reports, etc. analysis your sites. So means these are the tools, measuring tools, a process how to data is collect and performance your improve your performance your sites. So importance of the web analytics, access web contents, problem they can be rectified, clear access to website threads, monitor web traffic and user flow, demonstrate goal acquisitions, figure out the potential, and find out the reference sources. So these are the major web analytics process. So actually, this web analytics process follow there's some steps. So these are the steps are there. First of all, define the goals, build KPI, collect the data, analyze the data, test alternatives, and implement. This complete process is you easily show the how to work with analytics. So these are actually these are the flow. Okay, how to your data is for you. So first of all, process the web analytics set the goal. Okay, you achieve the particular. Suppose that you work with e-commerce. So your plan is there. Okay, how to target it data and how to analysis the particular requirements and traits, so you can easily find the parameters. So this process, these are the front, these are Google Analytics. One tool is there, various tools are market, but the Google Analytics tools is a free of cost, so you can analyze your sites. So these are the three types of report, four types of reports generated by the Google Analytics: audience analysis, acquisition analysis, behavior analysis, and conversion analysis. So we explain is one by one. Audience analysis is means audience about the age, location bias, behavior, frequency, visit, revisit, and the network audience of technology as I may be using a mobile phone. Yeah, so we can find out actual of this audience analysis. You can find out the your access by the audience in your, so you can achieve the goal and decide the target how to find. Next is acquisition analysis. How to analyze the your data is accessed by the users your sites, maybe traffic. You can check the page bias also. Behavior analysis means you find out how to search. Suppose web application, your e-commerce use. So how to analyze the particular fields, and the keywords are used and tags used. So exit also your sites. Speed, site search, events. These are the major factors you can analysis. Conversion analysis means how to using the example, download, checkout, etc. To track the conversion. You need, suppose that somebody people are analysis your site is visit particular product. You can send the email message, at least ad is there. So these are the, you can traceable. Suppose some person are using, so you can trace the particular things. So actually basically these e-commerce is easily use these types of commerce. Multi-channel, so you can, those MPC reports are there. So this means there you can use your search for the query Google search engine. So visit the website. So you can also the what is change, and you can plan. At, and next is the attribution modeling credit sales means you can suppose the person website through the adverts made no purchase. So month later they visit by social platform again, doesn't go third times. He visited that directly and converted. So last transaction model will be credit direct conversion attribution first. So I think these are the parts. So we discuss about. So first of all, we just see is there how to work. So just for one examples are there. So Suppose first of all you just in Google, what is Google Analytics? Google Analytics word, you can click there. If you Google account, don't worry, you can access. Suppose in this type my already there in the zealeducation.com. So after the login, by default in front of you this type of dashboard. If you log in directly with Gmail, so customization is part is there. So you can customize your dashboard, custom reports. Suppose we create the dashboard. So simple example, how to create the dashboard. So you can dashboard means yes. Suppose so use name is there. Suppose DS. You can create the dashboard. Yes, you can dashboard, etc. Your sites about the data. Next thing is there. Suppose these parts of this total, these are tracking is there. Suppose this symphony is there. So you can the various types of automatically this site is add there. So how to add? To just go with your see various types. So these are real audience acquisition. 4 parameters we have already discussed there. Suppose you can this. So first of all, admin and user, we have a two types are there. So first is the admin part is and user part. Admin part is second. Yes, create the account, no required, create the properties there. So automatically suppose you trace the site, website, etc. So these are the types, web and apps both. So suppose you trace the sites, you click there. After the click, continue. After continue, website name and your site name. Suppose, simple. Suppose I sing my site name is here. Required value, suppose, example, dsing.com, maybe. Then after category, suppose is automobile, maybe this is the example only. Site is name, complete name. Suppose you www dot example. Then after create. After the create, you get this code. Using this code, you can trace a site. So this is code is very important. You can add this code your head in your code. When you add your site is trace, and you can find the data. So I think you know how to add. In this step is a tracing code is there. You can add your step. This step is a header and footer. Suppose using WordPress. So WordPress editor is there footer. So is a before the head you can copy this. So your site is tracks is start. Okay. Thank you for listening.